Hello, I am Ninja, and this is Fidget Toy Focus. This file is when you need some physical stimulation, something to keep your head busy one way or the other, while you're also trying to relax. It might be because you can't sit still, because the world around you is too much, or any other reason that feels right for you. It often starts with something simple. The object you're fidgeting with doesn't have to be made for it. It could be something that moves or just something that feels nice to hold. And you'd be surprised how easy it is to get your thoughts lost in such simple stimulation. For some, it is the repetition or a very particular kind of sensation. Texture, pressure, movement. And once you get into that rhythm, once you find yourself focusing on the simple actions of your fingers, it's easy to focus on them, to let yourself drift almost in a trance-like state, as the stimulation itself, the very act of fidgeting, of playing with this object, this gizmo or this toy, allows for a very nice hypnotic induction. If you focus on the very center of your activity, figuring out exactly where all of that energy of your mind is going to, you might notice your fingers slowing down a bit, or perhaps getting into a very familiar pattern, almost repeating motion after motion in a simple rhythm. The weight, the feel, the temperature, the texture, the pressure, the way it reacts. Everything about it helps you to focus your mind, your attention on this simple thing. And this single stimulation also creates a wonderful focus point, a fixation for a moment. I spoke before on how such things can easily be hypnotic. You might not even be aware of my voice anymore and just let it drone on in the background while you're continuing to play, to fidget and focus. The movements becoming lighter and easier as your body enters a familiar pace, a rhythm it can keep up for as long as you like. I wonder what holds your attention right now, how much you are focused on this one simple thing. Even if your thoughts drift every now and then, letting other thoughts drop out of your mind, it's it's completely alright. This isn't about being perfect. It's about enjoying the imperfections. Every moment you're able to relax your mind, deeply focused on the fidget toy itself, the little gizmo or thing you are holding, is a moment you can relax. You might even find that fidgeting by itself becomes very relaxing. Such a simple thing, helping you to pull your mind into a deep focus. And that deep focus can happen automatically. It's as if the simple act of playing with this thing, this toy, is enough to quiet your mind for a little while. As if the simple stimulation pulls you in, keeping a firm grasp on your mind so you don't have to. And there's all kinds of ways we could deepen this trance. All kinds of ways we could work together to let this feeling sink even deeper. It will happen anyway. It will flow so naturally from moment to moment. You might even notice this happening, sort of driftingly focused on the feelings, aware of the texture, the weight of what you're touching. Slowly sinking down and giving yourself time to adjust. The best part is that it can be anything, anywhere, anytime you want. If you want to feel that calm, that trancy state while fidgeting, you can do so yourself. And waking from it is as simple as stopping to fidget for a moment. It's so easy to go in and out of trance. It's as easy as breathing. And the more you practice, the better you become. In a moment, I'm going to say the word wake, and when I do, your attention will resurface again for just a moment, in which you can decide what you want to do with it. It's up to you what you want to do. If you want to play a little longer, feel free. I'm sure this idea might stick for a while. Enjoy. Wake. And I hope you had fun.